In this video, we're going to show you how to install the fender liner on your Ford Explorer located on the driver's side front wheel well. Using a 19mm socket, loosen and remove the lug nuts. Once you have the lug nuts removed, grab the wheel, remove it, and set it aside. Using your trim tool, locate this button right here. I want to go ahead and pop that out. Pop out this button right here. On the bottom right here, go ahead and remove these 7mm screws. On the bottom, we have two 5/16 screws. Loosen and remove those. And then we have one up in the front here, making a total of 3. Remove these two 7/32 screws. Okay, work that out a little bit. Now it's going to go ahead and expose this last screw right here. This is a 7mm. On the back side here, pop out the button there. There's one down below. On the inside of the fender lip, got to remove this button here, and then there's one a little bit more forward. Pop that out. Right behind this little dimple right here in the fender liner, there's another retaining button. You just kind of flex this out, pull that button, pop it out. Go ahead and remove the fender liner. Just going to line up the fender liner. We're going to insert the back side first. Work that up and around. Install one of our buttons here. Snap that in. On the lower front side, I'm going to insert one of these buttons as well. And the purpose of getting these two lower ones in, this is going to hold the fender liner in the general area of where it needs to be. Now we can go ahead and start fitting the rest of it in. And pop that into place. And snug that down gently. Snap our fender molding into place. We just want to snug these gently. Install the 3 screws in the bottom. Grab your wheel. Get that lined up and installed. We're going to get all of our lug nuts started by hand. Once we have these on, we'll go ahead and snug them down. Torque your lug nuts to 100 foot-pounds.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.